This 2022 Winnebago Voyage V3033BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Winnebago is 34 feet 1 inch in length and features one slide-out, a Brooklyn interior, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, TV, air conditioning, TV antenna, skylight, leveling jacks, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Voyage V3033BH is 7,600 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.